Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most captivating celestial events, the blood moon. You've probably heard about it, seen stunning pictures, or maybe even witnessed it yourself. But do you know why it happens? Buckle up as we explore the myths, legends, folktales, and the science behind this mesmerizing phenomenon. First things first, what exactly is a blood moon? Well, it's not a scientific term, but rather a colloquial name given to a total lunar eclipse. During a total lunar eclipse, the Earth passes between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon. This shadow gradually covers the entire surface of the moon, giving it a reddish hue. The reason for this reddish coloration? We'll get to that in a bit. Let's kick things off with ancient beliefs and myths surrounding blood moons. Across cultures and civilizations, lunar eclipses were often interpreted as omens or signs of impending doom. In ancient Mesopotamia, eclipses were believed to foretell the death of a king. The Mayans saw them as a time of conflict and war. In Norse mythology, there's a fascinating tale about two wolves, Skoll and Hati, who chased the sun and moon, causing eclipses when they caught up with their celestial prey. This myth reflects the fear and awe our ancestors had for these celestial events. Moving on to folklore, blood moons have been intertwined with stories of werewolves and other supernatural beings. The idea of a full moon turning blood red and unleashing dark forces has captured the imagination of storytellers for centuries. In European folklore, the term blood moon was associated with lunar events occurring during harvest time, symbolizing the blood spilled during battles for food and resources. These stories often had moral lessons about the cycle of life, death, and renewal. Now, let's address some false beliefs and superstitions related to blood moons. One common misconception is that blood moons are extremely rare occurrences. While they're not an everyday sight, lunar eclipses happen regularly, typically a couple of times a year. Another myth is that blood moons have harmful effects on human behavior or health. There's no scientific evidence to support this claim, but it persists in popular culture and folklore. Alright, let's switch gears and delve into the science behind blood moons. The reddish coloration of the moon during a lunar eclipse is due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, shorter wavelengths like blue and green get scattered, while longer wavelengths like red and orange pass through and reach the moon. Imagine you're watching a sunset. The sky turns red or orange because the sunlight has to travel through more of Earth's atmosphere, scattering the shorter wavelengths and leaving behind the longer ones. The same principle applies during a lunar eclipse, but instead of direct sunlight, it's refracted sunlight that bathes the moon in that eerie red glow. In modern times, blood moons are celebrated as awe-inspiring astronomical events. Amateur astronomers and photographers eagerly await these eclipses to capture breathtaking images of the moon's transformation. From a scientific standpoint, studying lunar eclipses helps researchers understand Earth's atmosphere and its effects on light. It's also a reminder of the cosmic dance happening in our solar system, where celestial bodies align in mesmerizing ways. As we wrap up our journey into the world of blood moons, it's clear that these celestial events hold a special place in human history, culture, and imagination. Whether viewed through the lens of ancient myths, folklore, or scientific inquiry, the beauty and mystery of a blood moon continue to captivate and inspire us. So, next time you gaze up at the night sky and witness the moon bathed in that striking red hue, remember the ancient tales, the folklore, and the scientific marvel that is the blood moon. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of blood moons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep looking up at the wonders of the cosmos. Happy stargazing!